Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Subaru BRZ Coupe, stock reference number 4813. This shape runs from the 7th one 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, has light hail, front bar reinforcement, left-hand headlight. Left guard also has light hail, left front door has light hail, left front 17-inch factory STI alloy mag, left power door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy STI mag, left tail light, boot lid appears to have light hail as well, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy STI mag in black, right door has light hail, and right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior and suede inserts. Manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy leather and carbon fibre sports style steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.